All right, we're at day 2 on Project Black Reaper. So far I got the tool from Harbor Freight, got the fuel line off over there. So we're continue on this bad boy. Get this intake off hopefully today. Start with some heads, I'm hoping today. That's the goal. So we'll see if that happens. All right, see if we can tag along. All right, peace. All right, another work stoppage here. The bolts I'm noticing are different that hold the rocker arms on. These are like some kind of a 12 point like the ARP ones, and then these look like they might be stock. So like I said before, 4 in the front here, 4 in the rear that are stock, 4 that have the 12 point look like ARP style head bolts. So gotta go buy another tool, of course. Good times. All right, another tool in hand. So see how this goes. $7 because the rocker arm bolts are a little different. Ah, yeah, mamma mia, mamma mia. Jesus.
Alright, last time you seen this, it was all painted, rusty, and all that. I sandblasted it, made it look good and clean.
Let's lower this joker back down. Lower it down.
Center and white are all straight. Getting a piece of straight bar that we have here in the shop.
Boom, 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 boom.
And we are good to go. Everything is square, everything's good. Now I can sit here, burn this, and get it ready to go back into our 16 drive.
Slam the joker on the ground. Bam!
Now that everything is tacked together and I know it's not going to go anywhere, now I'm going to start welding it out. I'm not going to just sit there and just do one big weld all the way around, and then one big weld all the way around. I'm actually going to do one weld in the front, next weld in the front, one weld in the back, next weld in the back, and left and right. Reason for that, bouncing around, it's a good habit to get into, so when you are working on projects where distortion is something you need and want to control, it's already a habit and a form. The other thing you want to get into is tacks. The more tacks that you can put in place before you actually weld things out, the better. If you notice, I got a couple assortment of different clamp holding everything in. That's another way for me to sit there and control the material while it's welding. Now, what is distortion? In this case, it's the heating and contracting of the material itself. You want to control that. If not, parts that you want to create will end up being bowed, which is going to be 10 times harder to bring that back. Control the material.
Nope, wrong one. Where's the extension? I don't know. I moved it somewhere.
The more of it you can the better the end result will be.
Burn out. Okay.
Now I'm going to let it cool in position so that any distortion that the heat would put into this in the cooling process, it's going to dissipate in this position here. Then I'm going to turn it 90 degrees, weld the front, turn it the other 90 degrees, weld the back, and then we're ready to start working on the sides. Now that we have our...
All right, day 2 down and out. We have got a lot of stuff done today. The heads are off. Got all the push rods taken out. Of course, the rocker arms and all that removed. The intake, of course, was gone. A lot of stuff today. Woo! Testing my abilities. Got my little list over there. And then here's all the list of goodies here. Got the heads stacked up, rocker arms off, all that good stuff here. Yep, moving along. Tomorrow the plan is for day 3. If we can do it tomorrow, is get the radiator out and then start moving the water pump and start getting access to that timing belt, timing chain, and camshaft to get that camshaft out. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Thanks for watching my little short video.